This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Holly Renninger. Just in time to enjoy the crisp fall weather and hunting season. This home has 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, a laundry room, office and open, recently remodeled kitchen dining area leading into the living room. On the outside there is a fenced-in pet area with pet door from the laundry, on-site well and septic, shed and 2 acres to enjoy. Did I mention it is within walking distance to Pennsylvania State Game Land? Just walk up Howard Gap Road less than a half mile and you can have all the hunting you could ask for. Easy commute to Route 322 as you can be on the highway in less than 10 minutes. For more information, review the details below.